Up, drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
We've got 8852 Drew Robotics with a note in that speaker. Another note in that speaker, 2854. The Prototypes also with a note in that speaker. A second one bounces off that speaker. The Blue Alliance is on fire. Meanwhile, we've got one note in the speaker for the Red Alliance for that Auton. 9038 SF Unity lined up with a speaker, launches that in, goes in rapid succession followed by 4973, their alliance partners Gator Gears, who seem to be lining up. They barely missed that speaker, shooting that note into that speaker, but 9038 SF Unity follows it up with another note into that speaker. 9038 lining up again for the Red Alliance. 9143 Armor Robotics as well. Both teams shooting a note into the speaker for the Red Alliance. We've got Drew Robotics with a note in the speaker for the Blue Alliance. Heading back over to their source. Looks like they're going to pick up a note from their human player, followed by 9111 Pyromechanics. We've got a minute and 20 seconds, minute and 15 seconds left in the match. Blue Alliance is in the lead. We've got 8852. That's Drew Robotics. Looking to pick up a note, have a note in their possession. Seems like they're trying to line up Pyromechanics with a note in the amp for the Blue Alliance. The Prototypes seem to also be trying to line up with their speaker, but seem to be having a couple of issues. We've got 9038 playing a lot of defense there against 8852 for the Blue on the Blue Alliance. 9143 and 4973. Armor Robotics and Gator Gear seem to collide a little bit as Gator Robotics is heading over towards the speaker for the Red Alliance. They're lining up towards that speaker as well as their alliance partners, Armor Robotics. Armor Robotics shoots that note that bounces off of the speaker. Looks like Gator Gears has been able to launch that note successfully into the speaker for the Red Alliance. We're already in endgame. Blue Alliance is still in the lead. It looks like Drew Robotics and the Prototypes are both trying to get on stage. We'll see if they're able to. We've got one spotlight on Drew Robotics, and that is the end of the match. With a score of 39-21.